Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How many of you have checked your new syllabus, the modified syllabus, the changed syllabus for this session? How many of you have checked the new syllabus, beta, for this session? You know some topics are deleted, no? So have you
Yes,
checked the new
ma'am.
syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good. If you
ma'am.
have... Now, see, we are almost closing to the session and our target should be to complete everything by 30th October, beta. So we are left with another 1.5 months. So we need to review today and then start up with something new which is left. Is it okay? Now, come on, tell me, if you have seen the new syllabus, what are the topics in grammar? Come on, you have seen the syllabus, my child. All of you have seen, you said. What are the topics which are now there in grammar? I'm not talking about the deleted part. I'm just talking about what all is left. Can we discuss one by one? Very good. Modals is there. Perfect. Have we done
Subject
modals?
verb agreement.
Okay. We'll go one by one. Okay. So first thing which came to me was modal. Have we done modals?
Yes.
Have we done modals? Okay, very good.
Yes,
Subject
ma'am.
verb agreement. Yes, beta. Subject verb agreement is also there. Have we done subject verb agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Determiner.
Determiners, yes, determiners are also there. Very good. We've done that.
Tenses.
Tenses, very good. That means you know the syllabus. Too good. What else is there, beta?
Reported speech.
Yes, reported speech. Very good. This is one part which is still left to be done. So that once we finish the syllabus, we can start doing some revision sessions. First, we'll start from easy level, then we'll go on to mediocre level, and finally, we'll go on to high level questions. So today, if we all are ready, we can start with reported speech.
Good morning, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning. And in reported speech also, beta, in reported speech also, we have only 3 types of questions which will be coming. Are you aware of which 3 kinds?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, never mind. They're command requests, statements, and questions. But never mind, we'll start with it. First, let's talk, and we are going to start with the last topic of grammar. That is your reported speech now. Let's make it very simple. Okay? Supposing, who was the first one to join the meeting? Who joined the meeting first? Anybody knows? So I'll take up names from here.
Ma'am, you.
Nishkarsh is there? Acha, chalo, theek hai, very good. Okay, I'll talk to somebody. Nishkarsh Rana is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody will listen. I will tell something to Nishkarsh. Okay? All of you just listen. I'm telling something to him. I'm telling Nishkarsh that Atish will go. Atish will go. Now, Abu is there? Abu is there now. I can see Abu's name also. Abu, are you there? Abu, are you there? Never mind.
Ma'am, he left.
Okay, very smart. So I'll mark him absent. Gauri is there? Gauri Gangwa, she's just joining as of now. I want somebody who has already joined. Aditya. Aditya, Aman Narula, who is there?
Yes, ma'am. Aditya.
Aditya is there. Okay. Aditya, now you tell everyone what I told Atish. I told something now.
Ma'am.
I told
Yes,
Nishkarsh,
ma'am.
sorry, something. I told Nishkarsh something
ma'am.
about Atish. Tell everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Atish is going.
I said Atish will go. So what will you
Okay,
tell
Atish will
others?
go.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you said that Atish will go.
Atish will go. Okay. Anybody else would like to try the same thing if you have to go and tell someone? Supposing you heard me in the corridors, I was speaking to Nishkarsh and I told Nishkarsh that Atish will go. What will you go and tell others? Ma'am? Ma'am told whom?
Nishkarsh.
Ma'am told Nishkarsh that come on.
Atish would go.
Very good,
That
very good.
Atish will go.
Very good. Beta, what are we trying to do? We are reporting something. Something you heard and you are telling the same thing to someone else. That is what we call as reporting. This is what we are going to study today. That is your reporting speech. Clear, everybody? What is reporting speech? First, let's find out what is reporting. You hear something from someone and then you go and report it to somebody else. This is what we call as reporting speech. I hope everybody is okay. What is reporting speech now?
Yes.
Reporting speech is simply what you have heard. You have to go
Yes.
and tell somebody. This is what we call as reporting. See, beta, there are basically two ways of how you tell something, you say something, or you narrate something. First is you use the actual words of the speaker. Like you could have said, ma'am said Atish will go, inverted commas. Got my point? Whatever ma'am said, as it is, you tell the other person and put it in inverted commas. Is it okay for everybody? One way is
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
that you go and speak directly and simply say that whatever is written, you write it in what? You write it in inverted commas. This is known as your direct form of speech. What is this called as? This is called as the direct form of speech. Clear, beta? Okay, let us do some examples. He said, I shall go home. He said, I shall go home. And I have put in inverted commas, I shall go home. Now tell me, this is direct or indirect? He said, I will go home.
Ma'am,
Everyone
it's
let me look
direct. Ma'am,
It is
direct.
Ma'am,
Direct.
direct.
It is direct because I have used inverted commas and I am using the word I only for he. What am I saying? I am saying he said, comma, so inverted commas, I shall go home. This is direct. Now try to change it to indirect. Come on, somebody try and change it to indirect. I'll tell you the rules and all, but as
Ma'am,
of now, let's, yes.
ma'am, he said that he will go home.
Peter, rest everything is correct. Only one very small error, that will becomes would. Okay, beta, everybody.
ma'am.
When we're talking about reported speech, direct to indirect, your will become what? Your will becomes would. Now, come on, everybody, tell me the same sentence converted to indirect. He said, I will go home. Tell me, what will the sentence be in
Ma'am,
indirect?
He said that he would go home.
He would
go home.
I nahi, beta. He would go home.
Home.
And one more thing which you need to do is you need to remove the inverted commas. Because you're talking about indirect speech, you will not use the inverted commas. So what all changes we did, beta? We changed I. I ko kya bana diya? What have we done? We changed I
He.
into
he.
He.
and the second change I did was will has changed to
Would.
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 would. And the third change we have done is we have removed the inverted commas. Now
Inverted
look at the
commas.
second sentence. Look at the second sentence. She said, comma, inverted commas, I will go home.
He said he would.
He said that
He
she would go
home.
Excellent, excellent, very good, children. She said that she would go home. In place of I, what has been used?
She.
Okay.
He.
And will has changed to?
would.
Would.
Yes, will has changed to would. And what else you people did? What other changes you have done? You have removed your comma and inverted comma. Even the comma will be removed. After said, we have a comma in direct speech. Okay, when we talk about direct speech, we have a comma after said, but in indirect, we will remove that also. Let's try another one, a little difficult one. Okay, I said, listen carefully. I said, comma, inverted commas, he has not done his homework. Listen carefully. Koi jaldi nahi hai. I said, comma, inverted commas, he has not done his homework. Who would like to try? First tell me, I, whose turn? There is no punishment if it is going wrong. Why don't you try? I said, comma, inverted commas, he has not done his homework. Now tell me who will try, beta.
You said that the homework is not done by him.
Okay, once your child has tried it, very good. At least you tried it. Your name, beta? Good, you
Ma'am,
tried
Yash.
at least.
Ma'am,
Okay, good. Yes,
ma'am,
good, you
ma'am,
tried. Yes, next.
Ma'am, he said that he have not. No,
Never mind.
Ma'am,
Try.
Ma'am, may I?
ma'am,
Yes. One by one, all of you can try. No problems. Yes. Anybody? My sentence
ma'am,
was I. Yes. Speak.
ma'am. He said that you had not done your homework.
Okay. Chalo, fine. See, beta, very good. At least you people tried it. Excellent. My sentence was
Ma'am, may
I
I?
said, sure. Why not? Try. Speak,
Ma'am,
beta.
she said that he has not done his homework.
Okay. Very good. Anybody else wants to try? See. First of all, excellent for all those students who tried at least. Very nice. Now listen carefully. I said, comma, inverted commas. Beta, go stepwise whenever you have to change. The first thing that you need to do is, wherever you have a comma, remove the comma and put that. Okay, my sentence was, I said, comma, inverted commas. So remove that comma and inverted comma place, and in place of that, write that. Okay, you'll remember the first thing? That remove your comma and in place of comma you write that. So it will become, I said that he. Has changes to had. What does has change to? Past tense. Tell me. Simple present it will change to what tense? Past tense. He had not done his homework. Okay. Now let's try one more. Sita said. Beta, speaker don't change. If it is I, if it is Sita, it will be Sita. If it is Geeta, it will be Geeta. If it is Mohan, it will be Mohan. So, this is the last child I am admitting. No, I will not admit Shivam. He's late. He will not be allowed now. It's already 15 minutes. I will not allow him. Okay, listen to this sentence. Sita said, comma, inverted commas, I am not going to school today. What is the first change I told you have to do? Tell me.
Ma'am, removing of
Comma.
inverted.
Remove comma and put that in
Inverted
the
comma.
place.
That.
And put
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Very good. The first thing that you need to do is remove the comma and put a that. So this will become Sita said that. Clear to hear? Sita said
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Now I
She
will
would not.
become what?
She would
In
not
my
go to school.
yes.
She
Would
he
not
would
go to
not
school.
go
She
to
will
school.
not.
Very good. Very good. Dekho beta, because it is Sita, so we are going to use she. Okay? We are going to use she. Am not going. Its present continuous will change it to past continuous. Am not going will become was not going. You have to change it to past tense. Is it okay for everybody? So am not
Yes,
going
ma'am.
will become was not going. And one very important change which I have introduced with you is today. Today becomes that day. What does today become?
That day.
That day.
Very
That day.
good. Today becomes that day. So
That
let's
day.
try.
That day.
Yes, let's try simple ones. Okay. She said, I will eat chocolates. She said, comma, inverted commas, I will eat chocolates. Let's change this.
Ma'am,
She
she
said that
said
she
that
will eat
she would eat chocolate.
Very good. She said that she would eat
she would eat
chocolates.
Chocolates
Chocolate.
today.
Chocolates today.
Yeah, that
Okay.
day. That day.
Yeah. Okay, that day. Chalo, excellent. Let's try one more. Rahul said, I will play football today. Listen very carefully. Rahul said, comma, inverted commas, I will play football today.
Rahul said that he would play
Rahul said
Rahul
football.
that
said
Rahul
Rahul
said
said
that
that he
he
would
that
play
He
day.
would
football
that
play
that
football that
he will
day.
play
That
football
day.
that
today.
day.
Excellent.
That
Rahul
day.
said that he would play football that day.
Football
Do we have
that
any
that
day.
day.
commas? Do we have any commas or
No,
inverted commas here? Yes or no?
no, ma'am.
No,
Don't
ma'am.
have.
No.
No,
We
ma'am.
don't have any, we will not have any commas and inverted commas over here because we are talking about indirect speech. Let's try this one now. Mohan said, I am not going to play today. Do it very nicely, slowly, slowly. Mohan said, comma, inverted commas, I am not going to play today.
Ma'am, Mohan said that he would not go
Said
to
that
play
he
that day.
would
Beta,
not play that day.
one by one. Rupendra spoke now first.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first
Haan,
time.
Rupendra. Acha, first who spoke?
Ma'am,
Ayush.
yes, ma'am.
Ayush, tell me what was your answer?
Ma'am, Mohan said that he would go to play that day.
Beta, listen carefully. I said Mohan said, I am not going to play today. Now change it, Ayush.
Mohan said that he would not go to play that day.
Okay, there is a small mistake in this. Who would like to correct
May
it?
I tell, ma'am?
May I
Yes,
tell?
Beta. First, who
Mohan
said
said that he will not play that day. No, he was not going to play that day.
he was not going to play because my sentence
that.
was in continuous tense. I said I am not going.
Yes,
It was
ma'am.
present continuous. So we need to make it as, see beta, if it is in ing, it has to be in ing. Only that is and are is going to change into was and were. Is it okay, beta?
Okay,
It has
ma'am.
to be in
Okay, ma'am.
ing only. Very good. Very
Okay,
good
ma'am.
to both of you tried it. Chalo, let's try this. He said, Rahul has not done his work. Who will try? One by one. He said, comma, inverted commas, Rahul has not done his work. First, tell me who will speak.
Ma'am, me.
Priyal. Okay, Priyal,
Yes,
give me the
ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he said that Rahul had not done his work.
Very good. He said that. The first thing she must have done is she must have removed the comma and inverted commas. And we have put a that over here. Has becomes had. Very simple, beta. Has is going to become had. And the next thing is ing will remain in ing. Chalo, let's practice more if you are there. Next. Rahul said, I am not going to the mall today. Listen carefully. Rahul said, comma, inverted commas, I am not going to the mall today. Who will try?
Ma'am,
Ayush
Ma'am.
Gupta. Okay. Yes.
ma'am, Rahul said that he was not going to mall today.
Today becomes what, my
That day.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
that day.
Now speak the entire sentence again.
Rahul said that he was not going to play that day, mall that day.
Okay, play in the mall that day. It's okay, we'll add up everything. That is not important, but very good. All the changes which were needed have been done. Comma, inverted commas have been removed and that has been used. Am not going becomes was not going and today becomes that day. Clear, everyone? Okay, let's try it now. Again, one more sentence. Mohan said, I will eat a burger today. Let me know who will answer. Mohan
Ma'am,
said, comma, inverted commas.
Ma'am,
Listen to the sentence. I will eat a burger today. Now tell me who will give the answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
may I?
Ma'am.
Mohan said.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Who is saying first? Who wants to answer first? Come on. Who said first?
Ma'am, Mohan said
Ma'am, may
that.
I?
Okay, Avika, you want to give the answer? Give.
Mohan said that he was going. Ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Okay. Mohan said, comma, inverted commas, I will eat a burger today.
Mohan said that he would eat the burger that day.
Very
Maybe.
good. A burger that day. Excellent.
That day.
Any changes? Perfect it is. She's done all the changes. Now let's move on to the next
Okay, ma'am.
sentence. Okay, too good. Next one. He said, listen carefully. He said, Rahul has done his homework. He said,
Ma'am.
comma, inverted commas. Listen to the
he said
sentence.
that Rahul had not done it.
Okay, Atish, speak out.
He
Is
said that
Aryan there in
Rahul
the
had not
meeting?
done his.
Aryan, are you there in the meeting? Aryan Sharma, is he there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you did not give your English exam?
Ma'am, I gave it.
But yesterday I was seeing there are 5 students who's in the report card. Your report cards are ready. There are 5 students. Absent is written in EHS class. Nishanki is there? Nishanki Patel? Is Nishanki there in the meeting? In her report card also absent is written. Abu Huresh, is he there? I saw 5 students, beta. Absent is written in all 5. So I was wondering whether you've given. You have given your exam. Very
Yes,
strange.
ma'am.
I'll have to check now. I'll tell Surbhi ma'am also to check because in the report card, you, Nishanki, Abu, Huzair, and there were 2 more. 5 students it's mentioned absent. So I need to see what is there. Nishkash was there in the meeting. Why did he leave and go? Okay. Let's do the next sentence quickly, beta. Rahul said he said, comma, inverted commas, Rahul has done his work. Who will do the sentence?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
he
ma'am,
said
he-
that
Am I?
Rahul had done his work.
Oh, thoda sa it is
There is a
wrong.
mistake.
Little mistake.
Ma'am,
Yes, there's a
it will
mistake.
come had been.
Had been. Why been, my child?
Oh, sorry, ma'am,
My
had
sentence
only.
had. Yes. Has will change into what? Has will change
Had.
into. Remember, that is the only mistake which was happening. Okay, one last one before I start telling you the rules and all. I have not done any rules as such with you. I just want you to understand first that what are we going to learn when we are doing this reported speech. That is what we were trying to do. One simple sentence. Let's try. Geeta said, comma, inverted commas, I am not feeling well today. Very carefully listen. Geeta said, comma, inverted commas, I am not feeling well today. Tell me who will give the answer.
Ma'am,
Geeta
Geeta
said
said
that
that she was
Ma'am,
not
ma'am.
feeling well that day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who gave
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer? Rupendra.
Ma'am,
No,
Kshitij.
ma'am, Kshitij. Kshitij.
Kshitij. Okay, very good, Kshitij. Kshitij, you're joining the class now. Very good.
No,
You
ma'am,
become.
I am Kshitij Gangwar.
Acha, you're Kshitij Gangwar. The other Agarwal never comes. Yes, beta. Who else would like to try the same sentence? Tell me who else. Same sentence.
Can you repeat the sentence?
Geeta said, comma, inverted commas, I am not feeling well today.
Ma'am,
Geeta
may I
said
try?
that she
Ma'am,
said that she
Geeta
was
said
not
that-
feeling well that day.
One at a time. One at a time. Though I'll give everybody a chance to speak, but then I should know if there's some mistake. Yes.
Ma'am,
First, anyone. first.
Geeta said
Geeta
that she was not
He
feeling
was not
good
feeling
today.
well that day.
Well that.
Perfect. Geeta said that she was not feeling well that day. Will you put comma, inverted commas?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now let us see what all we have to do or what all we have learned till now. The first thing that we have learned is beta. If it is direct form of speech, then whatever the speaker is saying, we put it in inverted commas and we write the commas and all. But if it is in indirect form, then what do we do? The inverted commas are replaced by what, beta?
Ma'am, that.
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 Replaced by that in affirmative sentence. Though I'll tell you in interrogative, it is a little different. But when we're talking about simple positive affirmative sentences, then inverted commas are changed into that. What about the comma after said? Will we have the comma after the said or that will also go?
Ma'am, that will
Ma'am,
also.
that will go.
That will go. The third change we did was we were changing the pronouns according to the speaker. Like when I said Sita said, I am not going, then I, because it is Sita, you made it she. What did you make it? She. And if it is Mohan, then what will you make I as? He. So these are the changes of pronouns which you must have done. So beta, direct narration, you have understood very well. It is also known as, see, the speech which is outside the inverted commas is called as your reporting speech. Clear, everyone? Now we are going to do some simple rules for changing this. Can we start with the rules now, since we have understood a bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is, very good. Now, if there is to with said, if we have a to word also after said, then said becomes told. Understand what I'm saying. For example, if I say a sentence, he said to Ram. It is not said now, beta. He said to Ram, comma, inverted commas, Mohan will go. It will become, he told Ram that Mohan would go. No other change. All the things are the same which I have told you in the beginning. The only difference is in place of said, we had said to. So if it is said to, you can make it what, beta? What does it change to?
Told.
Told. What will it become? It will become told. Chalo, do this sentence now. Let's do this. Okay, let's try this. She said to Geeta, listen carefully. She said to Geeta, like I had done a beginning the sentence. Let's do that. Divya ma'am said to Nishkarsh. comma, inverted commas, Atish will go. This is the sentence I had started the meeting with. Let's try it. Divya ma'am said to
Divya ma'am
Nishkash.
told
Divya
Nishkash
ma'am
that I
told
will.
Nishkash Atish would go.
Atish
Divya
would
ma'am
go.
told to Nishkash that Atish would go.
There is a small mistake in this sentence which this child just now spoke. Tell me what is the mistake, beta?
Or
Ma'am,
ma'am,
that
Atish will go.
Nahi, Atish would go is correct. There is some other mistake. Speak your sentence again, beta.
But Divya ma'am told Nishkash that Atish will go. Atish would go.
Now it is correct. Now it is correct. Earlier you said told to. That was the mistake. See, beta, this said to, both the words said to become told. So when you're saying told, do not use to with it. Is it okay for everybody? We will not use to with told. Said to, both the words together become told. Let's try one more. Okay. He said to Mohan, Sita will write. Who will try?
He told Mohan Sita would write.
Something is missing here. Something is wrong. Tell what is wrong, children.
Ma'am, he told to Mohan that Sita would write.
Now he has made that correct.
That was
Mm-hmm. Try. Come on. Something or the other is going wrong in each part. Anybody, please try once again. Come on, who's going to try?
He told Mohan that Sita would ride.
Okay, perfect now. See, both the mistakes are not done in this sentence. To is not used with told, so that is why absolutely correct. And will has been changed to would. If you're changing will to would, you're not changing the told over there. And if you're changing told, you're forgetting to change would. We have to remember all the things at the same time. Chalo, let's try one more. He said to Ram. He said to Ram. Is everybody ready? He said to Ram, Avika will go today.
ma'am, he told
He told
Ram
Ram that
He
Avika
told
would
Ram
go to
Avika
that
will
day.
go today. That day.
One at a time. Otherwise, I don't even know what mistake it is. One at a time. Everybody can speak, but then one at a time. Hanji beta, tell me.
He told Ram that Avika will go that day. Would go that day.
Would go that day.
that day.
Very good. Would go that day. Now let's take it as a challenge type part rather than everybody speaking. Tell me, who wants to take the challenge? Listen, why are you sharing your chat over here? Aryan, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about Hiten? Hiten is there in the meeting?
yes, ma'am.
Hiten, see what your chat is coming on the screen, and it is
Yes,
so
ma'am. That
disappointing
was
that
by
a child
mistake.
like you is behaving like this in the class. I was not expecting this from you at least.
That was by mistake.
No, whatever it is, I'm not expecting this from you people. No? You people are supposed to be good students.
Sorry, ma'am.
Aryan and Hiten, I was not expecting. Aryan and Hiten, I was not expecting this from you people. There is a class going on and you're chatting. If you want to chat, please leave the meeting. Please leave the meeting immediately. Don't disturb children who are here to study.
No, ma'am,
Whoever
someone
wants to,
was asking.
whatever someone is asking, please don't reply. There's a class going on. It's all your priorities. If you want to chat, please leave the meeting, go and chat. I'm absolutely okay with it. Remove this from the screen, please. Yes, beta. Let's start one by one. Let's have the next sentence. Listen carefully. She said, Rahul has not done his work. Let's make it a little complicated. She said to Mohan, comma, inverted commas, Rahul has not done his homework. Who will try now?
Ma'am, she told to Mohan that Rahul will do his work.
Wait. Slowly. Speak again slowly. She?
Ma'am, please repeat the question. I forgot.
Okay. She said, are you listening? You'll be able to listen. Should
Yes,
I tell
ma'am.
you? She said to Mohan, comma, inverted commas, Rahul has not done his work.
Ma'am, she told Mohan that Rahul has not done his work.
What is wrong
Had
in the
not
part
done
that
his
he
work.
has done?
Ma'am, may I
Had
repeat?
not done.
Ma'am, had
Had
not
Had
done
not
should be
done.
there.
Had
And
Yes. So
ma'am,
only
also
one.
Had
he
not.
said, ma'am,
Yes, speak.
also he said Rahul said to Mohan. So ma'am, that was
No,
He did
told.
not say.
No,
He
told.
said
He
told
said
only.
told.
Yeah. He said told only. So only there was one mistake, and that was has had to become
okay, okay,
had.
okay. Sorry, sorry.
Otherwise, everything that he spoke was correct. Only has had to be changed to had. Okay. Let us see another one now. Sita said to Mohan. Listen carefully. Sita said to Mohan, Rahul is not going to school today. Try. Sita said to Mohan.
Sita told Mohan
She did not
Rahul
like
told
to
to Mohan that she was
that.
not going to school that day.
Sita
Sita,
told Mohan that
Told
Sita
Mohan
told
that
to Mohan that she was not going to school
there
that
is
day.
one child. There is one child who is doing a mistake. Every time it is told
Ma'am,
to.
Parth.
I don't know who. Is it Parth? Who
Sita
is
Yes,
doing that
ma'am.
mistake?
Ma'am, Parth.
Yes, only one child. Yes, Paris, I suppose. Beta, only one child, one mistake is coming up every time that you're using to with told. You don't have to use to with told, na? Simply Sita told Mohan. That is enough. When you have used told, please do not use the word to. As of now, we are just learning some simple things. Though we'll be doing it some. Now, very fast, you will learn with me some words which are changed. Today becomes what, beta?
that day.
That day.
Yes.
That
Today
day.
will become that day.
that
Now,
day.
let's learn. Before we do the changes tomorrow, let's learn what all words change. Today becomes that day. Now becomes then. Tell me what does now
Then.
become?
then
Then.
Then.
Now
Then.
becomes then. Here
Then.
becomes there. Okay,
There.
learn with me. Here. H-E-R-E here becomes T-H-E-R-E there. Tell me here becomes?
There.
There.
Today
There.
becomes
That day.
Day.
That day.
Day.
yesterday becomes the previous
Last
day.
day.
Tell me. Last day or the previous day?
The
Okay.
previous day. The
Okay.
previous day.
Tomorrow, yes, let's learn first, then I'll ask you. First, listen carefully, and then I'll start asking you. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the
The
next
following
day.
day.
Next day.
Yes, the following day is also correct. Last night becomes the previous night. This becomes that. This becomes that.
That.
These, first learn. These becomes those. Ago becomes before. Tonight becomes that night. Thus becomes so. Thus becomes so. And next day becomes the following day. Next week becomes the following week. Come on, let's practice quickly. Now becomes, let's try. Now becomes
Then.
then. Hair becomes hair. H-E-R-E. Hair
There.
becomes
There.
there. Very good. Today becomes
That day.
That day.
That day.
excellent.
That day.
Yesterday becomes yesterday.
The
Previous day.
previous day.
The previous day. Tomorrow becomes
The next day.
The next day.
The following day.
The next day.
the following day. The next day. Both are correct. Last night becomes
The previous
The
night.
previous night.
Previous night.
Previous night.
this becomes
That.
That.
these becomes
Those.
Those.
ago becomes
Before.
Before.
before. Very good. Tonight becomes
That night.
Night.
That night.
right. Does becomes
So.
Those.
so.
Those.
Next day becomes
Following
the following day.
Tomorrow.
And next beta, the next day, and the next week becomes
The following week.
Following week.
Following week.
okay. Now very quickly, I can see first of all, let me have one name to start from. Whom should we start from? Anyone volunteers? Any one name I want. Tell me fast.
I'm Parth.
Okay, who spoke? Atish?
Yes, ma'am.
Atish, I have given some changes just now. Now becomes then, here becomes that, there. You ask any one student. Take the name of any one child quickly. Let's play a game. Take the name of any one student. From all the 3 sections, you can
Ma'am,
take
Parth.
anyone's name. Parth. Ask the question from Parth. What becomes what? Quickly. The chain should not break. It should be very quick. Like I just told you, now becomes what, here becomes. Ask anything from Parth.
The previous day becomes what?
Parth, answer. Parth is not there. I'll mark him absent. Parth, are you there? No. Ask somebody else. I'll mark him absent. Yes. Ask someone else. Come on. Hari, you don't know the name of anybody else. Tell me fast. What is he doing? You don't know the name of anyone. Chalo, let me only ask. Very bad. Somebody else wants to volunteer? To ask?
Ma'am, were you asking
Yes,
something?
ma'am.
Parth is back. I did not ask. Your friend was asking. Ask again. Parth is back.
The previous day becomes what?
The last day.
Okay. Parth, now you ask somebody. Take anyone's name from all the 3 sections. It's all your choice. Any one name.